Let's start off by opening the little tab. Ooh, box got a little messed up, but let's go ahead and open this thing up. Ooh, that's a fancy looking box, you guys. That is a fancy looking box. Check that out. The little cityscape. Nice. Alright, so once you open up that box, you see that cool little RD Elite and the little cityscape. This is a pretty cool box. I think I'm gonna keep this box for a while. But here we got the skates right here. What do we have? Got a little manual showing you like the bearings and parts and stuff, whatnot. From Roller Derby, you guys. These are the Hightop. So let's go ahead and pick one out. Got the bag all in, nice and packaged up. You gotta roll with it. Roll with it. Alright, you guys. So let's go ahead and get this first boot unpackaged. Take it out the plastic baggie. Alright, you guys. So we got the roller skate unpackaged, as you can see right here. It seems to roll nicely. No real issues with the rolling. The wheels seem to be nice. Check out this roller skate, you guys. This is a cool looking roller skate. Got the wheels. A little stiff. Might need to loosen them up. Got the little bumper piece right here. I think this part is adjustable, but I'm not going to mess with that right now. It does look to have a plastic plate right here, but I guess online you can always swap these parts out and really customize your boot. I do want to customize this boot for sure. I'm still debating if I want to rock the boot like this, where you be seeing all the cool dudes, all the cool skaters rock it to where the fur is kind of down like this. But I'm planning on adding like maybe some patches, do some embroidery on there, have some cool patches, or stitch some like Velcro right here, so then I can swap out patches. Because I do embroidery in my free time, so I definitely plan on customizing these boots for sure. So now the next thing to do will be to try these boots on. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these things on. I got my Jimi Hendrix socks on, you guys. Check that out. Mr. Hendrix. So with these guys, I went ahead and purchased a size 10, you guys. Purchased a size 10 in the roller skates. These Roller Derby Elite Omnis. Ooh yeah, that feels good. Ooh yeah. Good thing I bought the 10. I still got room in there. Yeah, you're supposed to fold these guys down, I guess. Something like that, something snazzy. Have some extra flavor. You gotta have some flavor when you're out there on the skates, y'all. Me and my girl were getting into this, and we're gonna do it on the weekends since we are getting a little older. We still want to go out and do our little dancing thing and be active. So, what better thing to do than roller skate? Check that out. Ooh, yeah. Bada bing, bada boom. What y'all think, y'all? What y'all think? Since I do embroidery at home, I do this as my full-time job. I got some Velcro here, so I can always stitch some Velcro right up in here. And then once I have the Velcro on, I'll make various patches. So then I have a patch like this, my stink meter patch. Be able to slap that thing right there on the skate. Or I get more extreme and get like a bigger design. This is my blank man and other guy patch. So if I had Velcro here, I can always swap out different like patches. And I'm just be roller skating with a bunch of patches on my skates, you guys. I'm gonna have fun with these. But I gotta practice, you guys, because I don't know what I'm doing on these things. Alright, you guys, so as you can see here, I added the Velcro onto my right skate right here, my Hightop skate. Check it out, check it out, check it out. So that is the soft side of the Velcro, so I can add a patch onto there if I wanted to. I tried to follow along this seam here. Made a little curve right there. Like I can only get so far down on my sewing machine, so that's as far down as I got. I got my Juki over here. I'm working on the other boot. For the other boot, I do want the Velcro to go all the way around the boot, like so. So that way I can have like a word coming across the entire boot, you guys. So I'm gonna just follow the stitching along here, and then I'm gonna just follow it all the way until I get to this other end. And then I'm gonna go downwards that way, if I can. And then from there, I'm gonna come in with my scissors and trim off any excess and stuff, and just really stitch it down to make sure it doesn't lift up or nothing while I'm skating. Alright, you guys. I got the skates on. I got my Velcro on, if you guys can see that right there. I got my Dave Chappelle peanut butter and crack sandwich patch. Then over here on the other side, you guys want to take a look. Let me spin it around for you. I got my patches that they spell out the word patch. You can see they're going around the whole entire skate right there. Because it is just Velcro. So I can always just like remove a patch and slap a new patch on there if I wanted to. These are my first skates ever. Alright you guys, thanks for tuning in on this little somewhat unboxing slash customization of my roller derby elite Omni high top boots. But alrighty y'all, we're gonna go ahead and end this video. I'm gonna go ahead and practice my skating because I'm a super noob. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.